In this video, I'll talk about how you can cancel subscriptions on Webull. Now you need to do this from your phone, which is most likely where you made your subscription. So I'll show you how you can do it on iPhone, Android, as well as on PayPal. So what you want to do, if you're iPhone, you want to open up your iPhone settings, click on subscription, and you can do that by going to Apple ID, select subscription, and then you want to locate the Webull subscription and click on subscribe. For Android users, you want to open up the Google Play Store, go to your profile icon, go payments and subscription, select subscriptions, and then find the one and then cancel it. Now for PayPal, you want to log into your PayPal, go to settings, payments, and click on automatic payments. Once you've done that, just select the Webull one and cancel that one. If for PayPal this doesn't work, you can just Google PayPal automatic subscriptions and it will be a direct link to the page where you can cancel it. So just try this, and if that doesn't work, try the other one. But that is basically how you do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.